Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are in Garden 5 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and I'm showing you today a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on ground floor in Garden 5 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. I'm just strolling through the main living room of this property, which is a 3-bed, 1-bathroom property here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in Garden 5. Reference on our webpage, Quality Homes Costa Calida, is 3391 and the asking price is 79,900. For any question, doubt, or if you want to see something again, please don't hesitate and drop me a line at the bottom of the screen and I will be happy to attend your needs and my team will be happy to answer all your questions. As always, we are always happy to get your comments, and in case you want to make an offer, happy days, my team is here to answer all your questions and to help you. I'm showing you today a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and we are just entering the master bedroom, which is this one. Adjacent to the master bedroom, we do have the back terrace, which is facing on to sport facilities of the Condado Club, which is actually a privately run sports operation with gym, tennis courts, paddle courts, pétanque, ping pong, and also a very nice bar and restaurant. Has just been taken over by Audrey and Mick. By the way, all the best for your new venture. I'm pretty sure this will be a success, no doubt about. Here we go. These are the sport installations. So, club. As well, the property comes with a car park, which is just behind our back terrace, where you see our car parked. Hello. And they're always passing people by. There we go. This is now the back terrace, and I will show you now the brand new washing machine, which has just been installed, and the 2 double air conditioning for all bedrooms and the living room. Coming back to the master bedroom, all bedrooms are fitted with now of this 3-bed, 1-bath ground floor apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the region of Murcia on the so-called Costa Calida. Here we go. Sorry. There was an issue with our internet connection here, but we are back on track. Thank you very much. So, we are coming now to the 3rd bedroom of this great 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are really gobsmacked today because we had over 100 subscriptions for our virtual open house today, and I thank you ever so much for your interest. We are really proud of what the reactions are from you guys. It's really amazing. I'm now walking out on the main terrace of this beautiful 3-bed, 1-bathroom property, where you can see the ample terrace. There are some sun lounges as well here. In case you have any question or doubt, just drop us a line at the bottom and we will be happy to assist you. I'm showing you now the main terrace with of the property. We see here the window for the 3rd bedroom. We do see the entrance and we do see the sliding doors leading from the living room to the main terrace. Outside, let's see how far our Wi-Fi signal goes, but it should work out positive. There I may show you a little bit of the garden of this beautiful. This is the community garden. The pool is slightly further down, so this means that you are not disturbed by the pool or by the people in the pool. Also, during your siesta is not a problem at all. And I'm showing you now again how it is and how it feels to walk into your new property. It's Garden 5, J531. Just walking on. Showing you here the outside dining table. Ideal for alfresco dining, and actually also at the moment we enjoy nearly 30 degrees. So I'm sure there will be also an outside dinner today available for us. Just walking into the property again. We are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort today on a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, and I'm just here in the living room, which I may show you. This is now the living room. I may show you as well the kitchen, which is fitted obviously with cooker, oven, extractor fan, microwave, dishwasher, and fridge freezer. All included. All what we see in our viewing today comes included in the asking price of 79,900 and its reference 3391 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. My name is Rupert and I'm presenting you today another top property here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Just let me show you the bathroom again of this beautiful property. It is sold as seen with all mod cons, full linen, all amenities, you name it, we have it. All rooms are equipped as well with air conditioning. And just let me show you one of the units, which is General brand. Inverter technology, hot and cold. So that's ideal for summer and for winter as well. Walking out on the back terrace again. Here we are. And opposite of this apartment on the back, we do see the Condado Club, which is our sports hub to say. If it's not golf, then you rather go to Condado Club, where you find tennis courts, paddle courts, ping pong, football, gym. So it's quite a lot of activity here, as well as a very nice operated bar. And by the way, the best fish and chips, at least in the region of Murcia, if not further on. Give it a try on Friday as of 1 o'clock. No, they don't pay us anything. We just go there every week and have our fish and chips. There we go. As I said, it has just been taken over by Mick and Audrey, and we really wish them all the best for their new venture, because I think it's really worthwhile doing it, and we're looking forward to their service. The parking spot, by the way, for this property is exactly here. We just parked our car here, so you see that this is the car park, comes included with the property. It's reference 3391 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. I'm just showing you now the new washing machine, which has just been installed some month ago. We do see here as well the air conditioning units. By the way, the property as well has been recently painted. It was hardly used anyway. The owners haven't been here now for over a year, so it was obviously managed. No, so far there is no access from the property from the back, but this can be installed. There is no problem at all, and many properties did it already. So you can put a door into the back patio, which means that you would have direct access to your car. Makes shopping easier, as well as when you arrive with your suitcases. You just need to get the permission from the community, which should not be a problem, and you need to get a small license from the town hall, which can be obtained by any builder on site. We're just looking at the second bedroom of this 3-bed 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Asking price is 79,900, as all properties at the moment open to sensible offers. And I'm just showing you now the living room again, where we have integrated the kitchen with all mod cons, fridge freezer, dishwasher, oven hob extractor fan, microwave, and all other necessary items. The property comes with cutlery, with linen, with everything included, and I just have to sort here there we go. So you see, even the cutlery comes included, even the wine opener. Happy days. So that's all fine. And just imagine standing here, watching out on your terrace, on the community gardens. Orientation-wise, we are facing southwest. This means we get the sunshine as of midday all afternoon, evening on our main terrace. I think it's an ideal orientation, summer and winter. The property is equipped with air conditioning in all rooms, inverter technology, hot and cold. And I think it's really worthwhile having a look at our webpage, reference 3391, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price only 79,900. Just walking backwards out of the living room again. This would be the main door. There we go. Just showing you again the outside of this beautiful apartment. I don't think it will be on the market very long. Ideal. The location is very good from the pool, but still have decent access. And the community gardens are, as all community gardens, are pretty well kept on the resort. I think our gardener is doing a great job every day, so the resort looks the same all year round. Each property has its own hedges, obviously its own garden bit. Just walking into the main terrace again. Don't think you will be able to see the sun lounges here as we're going against the sun, but I hope that's okay with you. They also have extended the terrace, because normally the terrace is not entirely tiled, but in this case they have extended the tiling to the end of the garden bit, which provides even more comfortable living space on the outside. We are on Garden 5 today on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Just showing you again the living room of this beautiful apartment, where you can see there we go, just walking out on the main terrace again. Phone calls going on here. Okay, so we are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort today. We enjoy 29 degrees Celsius with the humidity about 65%, so it's a beautiful day today. In the night the temperatures actually go down to maybe 15, 16 degrees, and during the day we are still in the high 20s or sometimes even in the low 30s Celsius. Just walking into the property here again. Sorry. And I'm showing you now the living room together with the kitchen of this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, reference 3391 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. Living room, the 3rd bedroom. The property has 3 bedrooms, and all bedrooms are fitted with linen, towels, cushions, so it's ready to move in for you. Asking price is only $79,900. Open to offers as always, but the offers should please be sensible. Master bedroom, fitted wardrobes, air conditioning in all rooms, and as I said before, we have been really gobsmacked with how many people have subscribed today to our virtual open house, and I'm looking forward to see some of you maybe again next week, where we will showcase a different property on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, or maybe somewhere else. You never know. I'm in the living room now of this beautiful 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Garden 5 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Where are we based? Well, we're in the region of Murcia, in the so-called Costa Cálida, the warm coast. We are maybe 20 minutes away from the nearest beach, which would be in this case Nuevo, as well as we are about 35 minutes drive away from Corbera International Airport and about 60 minutes drive away from Alicante International Airport. So,
really sorry for
what's going on? What's going on?
I'm really sorry, but you're going to have to stop the show today.
Why?
I'm sorry, I'm going to ruin your show because I've just received an offer on this.
Accepted by the seller?
And it was accepted by the seller, so happy days.
Uh-oh.
This apartment is now sold, guys.
Oh, so,
Congrats to the buyers.
Congrats to the
sellers.
Congrats to the listing agent. Congrats to the sellers. Congrats to the buyers. Thanks for destroying my show today. It was really fun. I love you guys.
This is really a first for me. Wow.
This is also for me. Excuse me. This is also for me. I have to say that's also the first time it happened. We have sold already several properties after the virtual viewings, but we have never ever sold one during the viewing. So.
So yes,
yeah.
really
so
sorry
okay.
to ruin your show.
Thanks for that.
But we knew this one would go quick.
I said before that I'm pretty sure that this will move pretty quickly.
3 weeks it's been. 3 weeks it's been. Yeah.
Jesus.
Congrats. Really.
Okay. Congrats to you as listing agent. Congrats. Who sold it? Marcella?
It was a joint
joint
sale
action.
between Marcello, who brought the buyer, and myself, who listed it. Yes.
Well done. Congratulations.
So, let's see if I can find Marcello.
Yes,
because he lives
please.
on this garden. Let me see if he's...
Yes, please.
Yeah.
So, sorry guys, this apartment is now sold, as it looks like, but it looks like that this one is gone now. So, all the nice show we did now is, well, you have seen now a beautiful apartment on Garden 5, and I promise you that next week I will have another ground floor apartment for you on Garden 8, which is really also quite a gem. So... Actually, I'm now looking rather forward to see you guys next week, as this apartment has just been sold. Guys, you really make it difficult for me. Where's Marcello?
Marcello's hiding in the bushes.
Marcello's hiding in the bushes. So, come on. Congrats as well. Well done.
That was a bit of a whirl, wasn't it? Sorry for ruining that show, Rupert. I do apologise for that. But yeah, that's
As you can see, we're still in
all done
shock.
quick. Yeah. Sorry for but there'll be more for you, obviously, out there. So
Okay. Well,
We've already thought about a very nice one that we're going to do next week.
Yes.
Really, something even nicer than this. So it's hard, but we've found something even a little bit nicer.
okay.
So
Well
we'll
done.
be showing that next week.
Okay, guys. Well, so this was the show of today. I thank you very much for presented to you by qualityhomescostakalido.com. We never had this before, and I wouldn't say I don't want to see it again because I wish this happens all the time. So yes, well, I'll see you next week. Thank you very much, and well done, guys. This was really congrats, gobsmacked. See you soon. Cheers. Take care.
Bye.